welcome back to another video from MTS Space Cooking. Well, today we're gonna do a very healthy crockpot recipe. Personally, I love crockpot recipes because they're super convenient. You just put in everything together, let it cook for hours and go do whatever you want, and when you come back, bam, your dinner is ready. So why not? So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, I'm super excited to share this recipe with you all. So the first thing we need to add is chicken. I'm adding 1 chicken breast and 2 chicken tenderloins, but you can definitely not add chicken tenderloins and add 1 more of chicken breast. And the second thing I'm gonna add is 2 cups of softened red beans, but you can replace it with pinto beans or black beans, the one you prefer. Now add 1 cup of chopped onions and half cup of chopped tomatoes. Okay, here I have 1/4 cup of green pepper and orange pepper. You wanna add both of them. You can even add red, but I prefer this. And then 1 cup of sweet corn. I'm using the frozen one. And 2 cups of baby spinach. Believe me, this combination here is gonna blow your mind. It is super amazing, but you can definitely add some more veggies if you want. And here I have banana peppers, red, orange and yellow. You can add all the 3 colors. They're gonna bring amazing flavor to your dish, trust me. Okay, so now is the time for the spices. Just add 2 cubes of vegetable stock and 1.5 teaspoon of oregano, then 1 teaspoon of salt as per your taste, and 1 teaspoon paprika, again as per your taste, 1.5 teaspoon garlic powder. I love garlicky flavor. Juice of half a lemon, squeeze it really good. I need all the juice from that. And then 2 teaspoon partially grounded cumin and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. That's it. Just give it a slight mix, nothing too much. Oh my god, can you see all this color in that? It has so many colors. I love it. Now add 2.5 cups of water and mix it slightly, nothing too much. You don't need to move everything around, and let the magic begin. Okay, so I cooked it for 10 hours over high temperature, and look at it. This is how it should be. I mean, it looks amazing. Can you see the chicken? It has shredded on its own. I mean, it is looking so yummy, and the flavor has infused everywhere. I mean, it looks amazing. Seriously guys, you have to try it. Just mix it around. If there's some big pieces, chunks of chicken, just shred it and mix it in the soup and everything. Yeah, it's ready. Okay, so I'm gonna take some in a bowl and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna top it off with. And I cannot tell you guys, seriously, I know I'm repeating it 1,000 times, but look at it. It looks amazing. My house smells amazing right now. My dog is just standing right next to me and he's looking at me. He's like, what is this? Okay, so I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon. Lemon makes all the difference, literally. And I'm gonna top it with 1/4 of an avocado. I love avocados, they are so delicious. And I'm gonna top it with banana peppers, red color, orange and yellow. That's it guys, enjoy. Well, the dish is finally ready. You saw how easy that was. I cooked it for 10 hours and you can just start cooking before you leave for office. Once you come back, your dinner is ready. And I topped it with some avocado and banana peppers, and so let's get to tasting. It is super yummy. I even topped it with some lemon, and that is just changing the entire dish. It's like super yummy, very yummy. Enjoy!